People, we know £700 and I think it was 3 cents was collected for June. At the end of January, the Sunday night, I told Dwayne to send June £100. Then after come the problem where the money was taken back. I got up this morning and I get my third message. Dwayne Fletcher, you need to be in jail. Dwayne Fletcher, people have proof. My daughter is doing her exam now. If it's even when she finish, people who can openly say now Dwayne Fletcher is a thief. I get my third phone call was my third conversation on my phone was a message. You're telling me don't burden. I was the one who had my mouth to beg this money. The people, a lady, Dwayne, people, I was sitting with my phone in my hand. Let me read the message for Uno. People openly know Dwayne Fletcher than a God who are defend Dwayne. The proof is here. Dwayne is a thief. Dwayne is a thief. I see a message coming because I have something that says thank you. I have an automatic message on my phone. Did Dwayne send the £200 I put in the bank account for her? No, Lord Jesus, sorry. Did Dwayne send June the £200 I put in the bank account for her? I had to send 8 frightened face. I said, hello, who is this? Good afternoon. To where the call is coming from, it's afternoon now. I am the lady who put £200 in Dwayne bank account for June. All that going around, I'm wondering if she actually got it. Lady, I need more information because I don't want to tell lie on him. One thing this is me saying, one thing I know for sure, this is news to me and I don't joke with people money. No. I called the number. There was a lady on the phone with her son on the 31st of January. Dirty Donna, come here. You bright yourself. Nobody now look for me. I not thief people money. Me face it. That's why I live poor. But me can't come out with this and all over back Dwayne. Come out, come back him up. I was at work the day. I never forget. When I come home, I see a missed call from June. Donna and Dwayne alone, Donna alone. At that time, we did not know the other lady. No, we know the other lady. We know the other lady because we met the other. I met the other lady this Sunday. I met the other lady this Sunday. So, when we came, we didn't know that the lady, it was Dana. Me know said the money, so the girl never get the money. Because Dwayne tell me, so the girl go to take up the money, and after it come out, say Dwayne tell the daughter, so tell me, so she get the money. Can take the money, and him go send it to her. Dwayne, come out now, you ball out yesterday and say, me and you. Name the money. The woman send the money one after one in your account because the message there you when receive the money, people. And if at the 700 or 600 pounds, you never mention it. Come up with a message where you send me. Or come up with a where you say you get the woman £200. The lady said to him, she sent the account number with everything, with Dwayne, everything here with the name Dwayne. Pay back the woman her money. Put back the woman money on her account because you never get it. You're too thief. The woman send the money the 31st and you keep it. How much more? People send money come give you. For me, June and Salone, you tell me say you have one lady where I give you £100 every month for you donate to somebody. And me I say to you, say you have the girls, them me mention them name where them not two have nothing. Dwayne, you two thief, come here. A long time, Dwayne mother will say she have a pay slip. They Dwayne the woman £200, the woman need her £200. My son just my son just did that. His name is da. Thanks, Dwayne. See, Dwayne, I tell the woman here, thanks, I have received it. God bless you. Really, God bless her because God bless her for your thief the woman £200. You thief the woman £200. Nothing not stop you. Dwayne have to pay back the woman her £200. Dwayne, you tell a wicked lie for me. When the woman hear the scandal, the woman call you when you have me and the other lady on the phone. And you tell the lady, say, me, Dwayne, me say, God I go beat you. God I go chastise you. You shall still feel those pain. Because of pain and misery. You tell the lady, say, me no want June get the money. Because me want the money for myself. Dwayne, how much of June money you send come give me? Dwayne, how much of June money? Thiefing, Dwayne, me can call you thief and scammer. You never tell me about the money, much less you send the money go give June. The £700 members say a winter and we eat girl shanty send the last donation. That's why she could have sent the money more. And you never talk. You say £100 you get from her. And we eat girl shanty close off the money. And you did have £700 with 3 cents. And you only send £100 to June daughter the night. And the Monday, you get the £200 and you keep quiet. You never tell me. How much more? You're a thief, Dwayne. Go put back the woman money in her bank. This man me I watch one another platform where I talk about you. You are doing too much now. The woman want her £200. You thief the woman money, you come on a ball and a talk about June and you thief the people their money. This is no case of thief and thief God laugh. You have me over there with you. See it in my inbox. The lady don't even contact you. And me she contact. I never know so you get a one time I know so you get £50 for your bank account for June. You thief the £200. Dwayne, you're a big man. You're too thief. If I because you get the probation because of your disability that you can't say thank God for your disability, them will wheel you out in your wheelchair and you have me with your Dwayne, me no thief, and you go tell lie for me. You thief the woman £200. The proof is here. Because you never get the 200, the money give the 30. That's why I'm asking the woman when. The money give the 31st of January. And you never tell me. You never. You take the money and keep the woman money for yourself, all the bangarang. You thief the woman money. When you're too thief. People, the proof is here. The lady call me. No, me call the lady because me the want to know if somebody a joke. For me make sure. Again, me tell you, me read for who just a come. Did Dwayne send June the £200 I put in his bank account for her? My automatic message, thank you for contacting, I will come up. Me send 8 frightened face to the lady because I'm shocked. Then me answer and say, hello, who is this? Good afternoon. I am the lady who put £200 in Dwayne bank account for June. All that going on, I'm wondering she actually got it. Lady, I need more information because I don't want to lie on him. One thing I know for sure, this is news to me. I don't joke with people money. The lady sent the transaction, see it here? The transaction is there. And you know, I know see and a lie when he must send the money, my other type of people to send it as a friend. All that depends on something doing. You're too lie and thief. Can't do people the money come. The information we doing something them. Doing a you. The lady telling my son, just send it in name da 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 da. Thanks to Wayne. Yes. Thank you, I receive it. God bless you. Carry the woman, you know the woman, contact the woman and give back the woman her £200. Put back the woman money pan our bank account because the woman's son want them money. You're too thief. You're too bitter. You never tell me about no £200. You take the money and keep silent with it. You take the money and keep silent with it. Take the money, you never tell me. Say you get no £200. You keep it in your bank account, you keep it silent. How much more people do we me I go take you down? Me go and take you down, you two teeth. Me I go show you say me I go take you down. You're too bitter. You're thief, you are a thief. You can't send nothing because that the money then go on June money because that is £600 you send. What you need to get the 121,000 where you take back. May I clear up my name, people. Everybody will give Dwayne money. Investigate if no money give Dwayne why you thief the £200. You didn't tell me say you get it. I people the money I use a big fast food and a boast and a show off on people. You're too thief, man. That is dangerous. You thief the £200. You never know more that it know. You remember how you go on? You remember? See it here? I did send you this. You come out so strong. I did send you this. I did send you this. You should have taken warning. Where do I send you? Where you come out and say me threaten you. Who shame now? Who in a problem now for people money? The woman want back her £200, I make sure I tell you. The woman want back her money, that's why I come out because the woman never see she want back her money, that's why I make sure I ask her. If the woman never want back her money, I won't come out. The woman want back her money. Dwayne thief £200 what one lady sent on him account. Dwayne the son said him want the money or him come fit. And the lady said she don't normally donate to charity, but because she understand and she know June's situation, she decide to help. And she contact Dwayne, and on the 31st of January, she send Dwayne the £200. Dwayne information, Dwayne, the lady send me everything. The lady send Dwayne a message and say, my son just did that. His name is da 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 da. Thanks Dwayne. Dwayne, oh you never tell we all that the bang around there go on. You never talk about that the money there. You never talk about that the money there. You sit down on the money and you take the people their money. And when you're done yesterday, you want scandal me on phone. Dwayne, show one transaction in that time. If you never the thief me 39 pound what day ya, I'm gonna put you for put the 51 pound and check up my money. Cause I don't want nobody money for thief. That's why I live poor. That's why I live poor and happy. Doing your two teeth. Me can openly say you are a thief. Because you did not tell me you received this money. And if you come pinch it, Dotty Dana Godmanin, and if June daughter down there, them willing, and anybody where they pan doing like every year doing, say doing get no more money for June.